she say my name. Yeah, she say my name. Beat her from the back, Mac attack. Yeah, she say my name. Beat her from the back, that no cap. Yeah, she say my name. Hit her from the back, that's a rap. Yeah, she say my name. Yeah, she say my name. Yeah, she say my name. My name, my name, ay. My name, my name, ay. Yeah, my name, ay. My name, ay. Yeah, my name, ay. My name, my name.
I'm not suicidal, I don't wanna fucking die. I just wanna be able to close my eyes and feel alright. But every day I feel like dying. Every day I feel like dying.
Oh, hello, peasants.
Alright, so I'm gonna welcome myself back to this channel because this is the second video and I'm gonna give you guys what you guys asked for. I'm gonna give you guys what you guys asked. I'm gonna give you guys what you asked for, and that is another hair tutorial. And if you go to school with me, you already seen how my hair was, I guess, last week. And basically that's how I'm gonna be doing my hair. Wait. So alright, psych now.
Nigga, shut the hell up and eat a cinnamon roll.
On a week old hair, it was all dry and in a ponytail. I just wet it with a spray bottle that only has water and conditioner in it. You can use any type of conditioner, any type of anything. I just put that throughout all my hair. Alright, I'm going to be defining my hair into that style I had, which was half up and half down, which was a bun here and a back out here. Well, you can do any style with your hair as you choose, that's just the one I'm going to be doing. But yeah, I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair, and let's get it poppin'. This is kind of cute. Alright, with a section of hair. Oh, I got some new products.
They won't have. Wow, they have it! Canned!
And these are the ones I'm going to be using. And this is the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. Blue. And then also, and I'm gonna see how these products work for me. This shit popping, like we about to be popping. Our curls gonna be popping. Everything's gonna be popping. Okay. I'm gonna put this up here. Let me get another hair tie real quick. You're not gonna tie that around. You're just gonna put it like that. And work with subsections. The more defined you want it, the smaller sections that they're gonna have to be. You see how it's all frizzy now. See, it's all frizzy now. But we finna get right into it. I'm gonna start off by wetting some more, because I feel like it's better when it's really wet, because then I can actually get my fingers through my hair. After it's been wet, I'm gonna get some of the, as I showed you before, our jackies, and then this stuff smells good. Well, it kind of was. I'm a ooh. Ooh. Alright, since my hair is a bit tangled, I'm gonna then get the comb. Next, after that, I'm going to get the oil, and I'm just going to put that throughout my hair, because then we're going to put the gel on it. Oil, then going to put that throughout our hair. Now we can get the gel, and we're about to get shit popping. These curls are kind of already popping. We basically just getting the gel to keep it all together. Plus, it's supposed to elongate our hair. So let's see if this really works. But this is all I do. And you see that definition. It's kind of frizzy at the top, but do is get some more gel and then rub that through. And that's all there is. Now I'm about to speed it up, go to the next sections, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, this is my hair. After finishing, it is still very damp and very wet, but I'm going to come back tomorrow when it all has dried. But I could show you some of the curls. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll show you the finished product.
If your pussy don't smell like wet monkey scalp, I do not want it. My fat ass thought this was lasagna. Fuck all these kids getting iPhones for Christmas. All I got was the clap. Shake my fucking head. I'd fuck someone in the ass for some dumplings right now. My dick hurt. When did I tweet this? My son, he is sick. When your wife's boyfriend brings home Chipotle. Watching the McDonald's employees spit in my fucking food. Swag punch a bitch. I ain't had my wee-wee sucked properly in a few months. Where's my vacuum mouth veteran whore? Why the fuck my dick so small? My gay black ass. Morning pussy is dangerous. It's been marinating all night.
Alright, so I'm gonna take down my scarf.
Well, we're about to get you peppercini that way. They go and come here that way. Pulling up your girls, the steak and with Afro with buff chin and with good one.
Pick out my ponytail. Show y'all first results. All I did was twist this to the side, put some bobby pins and some edges. Yes, sir. Alright, so basically my review on these products is It's alright. I don't think it's bad. It gave me the curls, but I like it. But the main reason, ooh, I kind of left this stretching for a little too long. Alright, so what I would like to say about these products is basically I do like them. I do like this one because of the smell. I love the smell so much. It's like a perfume smell, so if you can't handle that, I won't recommend it. But this don't shrink gel. If you have 4C hair, your hair is going to shrink. I can't really say any other ways except for stretching your hair. It takes time though, and sometimes this tends to happen if you stretch it too much. It will look like a little bit dead, little bit lifeless. But alright, and I do like the oil, the Grow oil. I think it smells good, and it is the oil, so it made my hair look shiny, and it's also soft, so it broke the cast that the gel gave. But if you really want a strong hold, I would recommend Soft Jelly Curls, Miss Jessie's, because Aunt Jackie, she okay, but Miss Jessie, she always come through. It's just this is pricey. This being like $8 and this is 20 something dollars. So you might lean more towards this one because it does work. It's just this has a stronger hold. And that's all I gotta say about these products. It's how I do my hair. I'm sorry the video is a bit choppy because this is the next day. That's why the lighting is a bit different. The camera angle is a bit different. And basically everything looks a bit different. I'm about to go somewhere. That's why I'm all dressed up, looking all, you know what I'm saying? So have a good day. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and